I'll tell you a little bit about us. It's Don and Diane, Ryan and Kim, and Coco, the Labrador Poodle. We're taking a trip from Illinois to Iowa and Iowa to Elk Lake. Let's see what kind of fishing and boating that we can get into. Canadian smoke was pretty bad. This is the second time around that it's made everything all smoky and foggy. We're driving through Macomb, Illinois area, and we noticed how smoky it really was up farther north in Illinois.
Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign of spring.
Use the left lane to turn right on.
Waiting for a reason to laugh, to sing.
Rams train camp when it has
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto North Lafayette Street.
I've been spending all my time to figure out just how.
Continue for 33 miles.
I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong. But what goes up must come down. Yes, what goes up finally must come.
Visit Iowa's one national cemetery. Can't come to Iowa.
There's the logs.
There's the
There's
rocks.
the logs right there.
Oh, look at that down in there. Ooh, we're waiting to go.
I've watched this online. There's a park right here that they have festivals underneath here too.
Hey, at last I'm standing. I know it could be worse. I know it could be.
Power City.
City Hall. Gun shops.
This route avoids road closure.
There's a pirate bar.
Arr.
Pirate bar. Never heard of that. Hardy, har har.
Got the Peking buffet closed.
Vigo Tower. They have 2. They're thirsty.
We could be crushed, and every word I've spoken could have been my last to you. Instead of spending all my time to figure why you're gone, I've come to this conclusion: in the end, what's done is done. 'Cause what goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up finally will come down.
Iowa had some magnificent country. Everything is so green and lush and beautiful. and well taken care of. The crops looked great. Everything was neat. Everyone was far apart. They had beautiful managed yards and lawns and farms. The roads were good. There's a lot of distance in between things here. It's wide open country, beautiful scenery, a lot of space in between places that we went. So it's very enjoyable. So you ought to see it.
'Cause what goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up will come down. What goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up finally will come down.
Houses are like 7 miles apart. That's the truth. Darn. I was asleep between houses. Finally getting to somebody who lives here. Yeah,
Nice.
watch where you're going. It's tiger country. Watch out for tigers.
Oh, man.
Tiger Bar.
Take the next right onto East South Street.
Okay, I will.
This is middle of America right here. Sleepy summertime in the village. Nobody's outside. It's nice out, 78 degrees. This is where Brian lives. We need brakes, I can tell.
Yeah.
Pretty quick, PDQ.
That house there. Spiky.
Oh yeah, that looks like the Munsters. There's a big school. It's pretty nice down in here. Got some windows knocked out. Somebody broke the window. Being naughty. I like the yellow house. It's pretty. Look what they did to their tree. They made it into a monster. It's like a monster. Oh, it's a tiger.
Tiger.
I thought it was a monster. It's a tiger. Okay. I
In
got
800 feet, turn left onto East 10th Street.
here's part of their school stuff. Nice. Tennis courts, movie stars, electric cars,
Tipton Park.
Tipton Park.
Yeah,
Nice
has
park.
a pool up there. There's a pool.
Take the second left onto East 10th Street, then turn right onto Mulberry Street. Be on the left.
This is Brian's neighborhood. Looks pretty nice. There's Brian's house.
Your destination is on the left.
Somebody had a real bad day. Cute little sheep. Oh. They got a few over there, but their yard's not pretty. places to buy. There's some with trees, a lot with not trees. But if you want peace
A
and
lot with corn.
you want rural and quiet and clean and peaceful and good fresh air. They don't have a lot of lakes. They got one lake that I saw, Corps of Engineers. But look at this, one house. You don't have a house. Have a house for another mile. And then way over here, another house. And then way back there's nothing. And up there only, it's like that all the way down the road. Just wonderful. Got Amish restaurants, Amish furniture places. Ladies baking pies right out of their home. Cheese makers. Lots of sweet corn and stuff in the fall. Some homes are grandiose, like this one up here. I mean, they're just really spread out. If you're looking for a place and tired of the burbs, this is where you should be. This is their hometown. This is where they live, the people ahead of us. Look at them houses. Beautiful. A golf course right here. Airport right next to it. I just saw a Chinook leave. So there's some kind of military over there. But yeah, this is pretty nice here. That's the golf course.
Having an event on the golf course.
Yeah, it's probably a league. Got some nice homes. Something already ready to go. Golf right there. Little ladies in their golf cart. Daycare. Oh, I like this. Right across from the high school. Community garden. Look at that. Look at that big rock.
Take the next right onto West 4th Street, then turn left onto Lynn Street.
That is a big rock. We went in there, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Family restaurant.
Take the next left onto Lynn Street.
Yeah, it does. It's nice. Modern rest area. It's called. That one does the same. World's largest truck stop, Iowa 80. 24 hours. He's excited to go to the world's largest truck stop. He's gonna get a sandwich. Some fish slippers. We'll see.
World's largest.
World's largest truck stop. You make truck stop one word, that's weird. Iowa 80. It's a pilot.
Oh, that's the truck stop on this side.
Got Chester's. Sure? Are you sure? You are? Look at this. Cute. Okay. Huh?
Duckies.
Yeah, it's for your vein. It's got looks like a candle. Oh. Huh? No. We got a restaurant in here. Kitchen. Huh? Don't eat. You're going to be too sleepy. Then they got everything up there. Not really. Just looking. Nice and cool in here. Well, let's look down there. Mm-hmm. The little guitars are cute. I like the John Lennon one. That's pretty neat. Oh, they got everything. And a truck. Coolers. There's all kinds of coolers. DVDs, buffet, pizza. We got blankets. Come on. Alright, I'm ready. Maybe the restroom again. Huh? We go to the restroom again or anything? Huh? Yeah? Don't see much. Don't see much that I would want. Yeah. It's just big. Report. It's like at a mall. Huh? Orange Julius Pizza Hut. See nothing I need. This way. And they're done. Ready? Sure, when you're in your semi. after another. There's like 30 trucks like this waiting to put asphalt in this
Trucks with
machine.
asphalt sitting there getting cold.
Wow. That's a lot of trucks waiting to put it on the
This truck
road.
in front of us too is going over there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a truck behind us that's going on. It's got MTM.
I've never seen such a production in my life, unless it was on an interstate or something. That's a lot of truckers. Stand around. Hot as hell.
That's what Jimmy used to do all day.
Oh yeah, same kind of truck?
No,
No, his was a box
his
truck.
was a tandem.
He's putting some blacktop down now. He's gonna get in line for the next one. They're serious about getting this road done. Lake Warren. W-A-R-R-E-N. Macomb, Western Illinois University. We also visited the home of Herbert Hoover, our president. House. I can't even say it. Herbert Hoover. Is that how you say it? It's hard to say. That's his house right there. Mm-hmm.
And there was a blacksmith shop right here on the corner.
Mm-hmm.
That was his brother's blacksmith shop.
Mm-hmm.
That used to be a church.
Mm-hmm.
And
One bedroom house. Herbert Hoover. Man,
birthplace of our president, one of our presidents.
look at that little bitty bed. They weren't even very tall people.